Holy fuck, actually?
Yeah.
Makes you cry. Makes you sad. Makes you cry. Baby.
How do you feel?
I'm gonna kill you if you fuck it up.
Okay, we're cutting Tori's hair. This is Sydney. What were you doing?
I went in the mirror and I was going like this to do my face. This is what our day consists of.
Overgot it for him.
Oh my god, I'm not
Sus.
touching.
I'm with Tori. I'm literally having a panic attack right now. I'm like
Is she doing it?
yeah.
Heather,
Shut up, Christopher.
I can't.
How you do it?
I'm crying.
It looks good.
I feel it falling. It's just getting shorter, and
It looks good. It's a clean cut.
we're gonna have to do it in sections. Oh my! Ah!
Heather, you're such a pro.
Thanks.
Look at the floor.
Just hyping you up so you don't. Oh my god.
I'm so scared. Ah! It's gonna be to here. End result is here.
My god,
Those
it's a
do
new
not
one.
look sharp even in the slightest, Taylor.
Oh, they're sharp.
Do you not hear your hair ripping?
That's where it went.
I'm gonna cry.
Oopsie. Oh my god.
I can just do it.
No!
I think that's the way we need to go.
And then we can
That's
open
what
it up.
I said.
No!
Yeah, trust.
Put it in a ponytail and snip it. Oh wait, but that's no.
You can hear it touching. She's already doing it.
Oh my god, wait.
Listen.
That gives me anxiety.
And I know she's not doing it even. Because this side's like way pulled down.
This is so hard.
Mama Moss would be so angry right now.
No, you see me standing.
I accidentally just like gave him a sneak peek down your shirt.
Mine?
Yeah.
Well, feel like it. Sharpen it if you didn't know. Cut some tinfoil to sharpen the scissors if you didn't know that's how you sharpen scissors.
They're sharp enough. Do you hear them?
Yeah, but that doesn't mean they're sharp. That could mean there's crunchy stuff in them.
We're gonna be like, oh my god, you suck.
You're not doing it right.
Shut up.
You could like make a sweater out of the hair on the floor.
Oh, good idea. Really good. Why are you crying?
My hair's gone. You literally wanted this, Tor.
Cry. Stop. No, don't cry. It's okay.
My dad's gonna kill me.
Wow. That was a lot.
I'm gonna have to go to Evelise and she's gonna look at my hair and she's gonna be like,
Who's Evelise?
Zai's mom. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it all back there.
Here,
Brush it.
hold on.
Brush it! Bro! Chill out.
It's gonna be okay.
I feel nothing at this point.
It's not done yet.
I know.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Ooh, 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 ooh. I know you see me.
Oh, that looks good. So doesn't this side look good?
Yeah. Nice and even.
Sydney's gonna think we're crackheads when she leaves. She's gonna be like, Dad, I just hung out with crackheads and I don't know how to feel.
Watch Taylor cut my arm.
Ooh, good idea.
Arm fucking gone. Whole arm.
It's all off.
She's gonna cry right now. She's gonna start crying. And then you're gonna have your makeup done. You're looking so cute.
Now I'm gonna cry.
Your hair, I love your hair short. I'm so glad you cut it short last year. Like my stutter. Bruh, looks like you killed Freckles. Okay, don't move there.
Yes. Hold this.
Is it even?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so it like angles down. Straight. That.
I'm gonna kill myself.
No, you can't even tell.
Yeah, you can't even tell. It was like half.
Well, then we need this one. Yeah, this
I'll
one's...
see these.
Okay, wait.
Okay, wait.
Look straight in the mirror.
Straight.
Wait. Look at me. This side's longer.
No.
In the front, yeah.
Yeah, can you? Do you see what she's doing right now?
The front is a little.
Danny's gonna hate me.
I'm gonna hate you.
You
no,
wanted-
it looks good. It looks good.
This side's longer, definitely.
I think it's just that front piece that's making
Taylor,
me think it's
what are
longer.
you doing?
Just cut that front piece. Yeah. There we go.
Don't cut any more of it.
It's uneven. There you go. Okay, look into the mirror.
Perfect.
Is this side longer now?
No. I say let it dry. You can cut hair dry. Wait.
No, listen. It's
Yep.
fine. It's
Do you want
fine.
that one cut?
No, because it's not tucked behind her ear. That's why it looks longer. Cut it.
No, because look, when it's not tucked behind my ear, it's the same size.
It looks so cute, Tor. Yeah, so let's let it dry and we'll see once it's dry. But do you want to shower now so you can get all the hair off your body?
How do you feel? I want to cry.
Wait, do you not like it?
I do, but it's so short.
Turn around.
They're gonna. What the? Turn around.
It actually looks so good.
Ah, it's stuck in my necklace. It's stuck. There it is.
Yo. Come on, which is.
Show Chris. Oh wait, she's looking at Chris. Turn this way.
Stop looking like that. Why are you?
Wait, look that way.
Stop. Just
let me look.
straight.
Just look
It's
straight.
so uneven, huh?
No, just look straight.
Oh my god, her hair wasn't even. Oh.
No, it's not. It looks hard.
I can't put my hair up anymore.
No, I told you no more buns. Love, come on. Love, come on.
Do I look like Tor?
Love, come home.
I'm kidding. Come here.
No.
You don't-
Cry, bro.
What? Mascara, Chris.
Yeah, let me
I'm
try
fine.
to fix that
I'm
now.
fine. It's
No,
okay.
you.
I'm okay.
You ban it.
I rate Taylor 2.5 out of 10.
Are you serious?
Go to a real hairstylist if you want to get your hair cut. Don't get your hair cut with kitchen scissors. Oops.
Kitchen sis.
Bye, guys. She's crying.